latest model to join Kia's rapidly growing EV family, the EV3 compact SUV, is positioned below the Kia EV9 electric 3-row crossover and the 2-row Kia EV6. While it might seem like the EV3 is encroaching on the EV6's space, it's actually over 14 inches shorter and takes its styling cues from the EV9 rather than the sleek curves of the EV6. The EV3 is an all-new model, and it marks the arrival of Kia's new generation one-pedal driving feature, which offers driver-selectable levels of regenerative braking via steering wheel-mounted paddles. Additionally, the EV3 introduces 4 new paint colors that have not been available in the Kia palette before: aventurine green, frost blue, shale gray, and terracotta. These new colors join 5 additional exterior colors from the standard Kia lineup. The price of the 2026 Kia EV3 is expected to start around $30,000 and go up to $42,000, depending on the trim and options. Given the sudden bloom in the compact SUV EV segment, we anticipate the EV3 to carry a starting price of about $30,000, aligning with Kia's estimates. Although final US market trims and features are not yet set in stone, we expect it to follow a similar trim and pricing structure to the larger EV9 SUV. Both the standard and long-range models use a single motor with approximately 209 pound-feet of torque. Although details aren't yet available, we believe a dual-motor, all-wheel drive version may be introduced as an EV3 GT line trim after the EV3's 2026 debut. Kia also says the EV3 will include its electric dynamic torque vectoring control. Kia claims the EV3 will be capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 mph in 7.5 seconds, with a top speed of 105 mph. Kia says the EV3's interior design is inspired by nature and features color schemes called subtle gray, warm gray, and blue, with onyx black reserved exclusively for the expected GT line trim. Sustainability is emphasized with recycled fabric used on the dashboard and door trims. Numerous interior components, including the seats, headliner, door armrests, garnish, floor mats, and luggage board, are constructed from recycled plastic. The seats offer a fold-back relaxation mode and USB-C charging ports. The interior ambient lighting is adjustable to match the mood. The center console has a sliding table function, ideal for snacks or laptops, with a storage area below large enough for drinks or even a small backpack. Dear viewers, we ask you to subscribe to our channel, like the videos, and give feedback so that these types of videos are broadcasted on our channel more often. Thank you for your support to our channel.